we work with implementers, what we really focus on is providing with the tools and capabilities so that they can effectively measure, evaluate, and learn as their programs are evolving. You know, one of the biggest challenges in international development, as program directors spend a lot of money, they throw a lot of money at these projects, and what tends to happen is that they don't have the same exposure into it that they do in their normal day-to-day lives. So when we work today, we use services like Amazon and FedEx, and we get used to the transparency that we get from those services. If I buy a product, I can see in real time how it gets from point A to point B. When you translate that in the international development market, we spend a lot of money, we invest in these programs, and we don't have any indication of what the results are until the end. So what Premise allows you to do is to really get on the front end of that and really provide an effective measurement tool, an evaluation tool, and a learning tool, and you can iterate on the project throughout the lifespan. We provide, the Premise app, which essentially arms citizens with the capabilities to be able to respond whenever there's some type of need and we want to ask questions or do polling or get the facts on the ground. So when they're able to give their specific feedback, then that gives the government and the decision makers with the capabilities to be able to make those decisions. I think the more that we are able to collect data, the more that we're able to bring all these services in and understand programs from the beginning and kind of plan throughout the process and iterate, what we're going to be able to do is make more effective use of the budgets that we have at our disposals. So one of the challenges, of course, is that there's a limited amount of money that gets funded towards any of these projects, and we want to maximize the return on that to be able to provide the end users, the people that we're trying to help, with the maximum amount of aid that we can get them. Get your communities involved, arm them with mobile technology, think about how to disrupt the old way of doing things. Don't fall into a pattern of just business as usual. Try to challenge yourself to make changes and make things better with the technology that we have today.